Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas, shoulder bag. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. All the patterns are very beautiful. Beautiful ideas, beautiful style, beautiful designing, beautiful and different colors. Very nice, most demanding crochet pattern. Fabulous crocheting work. Very nice, beautiful pattern. होपफुली लाइक दिस। इनको आप अपनी ड्रेसिंग के साथ मैचिंग करके भी कैरी कर सकते हैं, किसी भी फंक्शन में, किसी भी बर्थडे पार्टी, कॉलेज फंक्शन में, कैजुअल अपने ऑफिस में भी। Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.